What if I told you there is a way to trade that is stress-free, free from second guessing, and just an incredible way to approach the markets? I'm about to show you a strategy that truly requires no thinking. It's not going to produce the best results in the world, but let me show you some backtesting that it's pretty freaking amazing. Let's jump into it. So I got a strategy here right now. I'm going to focus on column F. You know what? For the sake of this video, I'm going to just do this. I'm going to hide these columns, and I'm about to show you something that I think is going to blow your mind. This strategy from November 2024 to date has produced 24% in my back testing. My results have been a little bit worse, maybe half that since November, because I've been trading some other stuff. But I just want to show you that this is possible. If you are wired, that when you start to overcomplicate and get into the crazy ICT world, and it's got to be this and this and this breaks out in this market structure, but not too much here, and then the equal highs, and you're just like, holy crap, we've overcomplicated this thing. And you just want something simple, extremely clear. I show up, I do this, I leave. Almost to where you could program it as a trading bot. This is it. You can do it. I just did a 7% payout and my account's up 3% right now. I had to make 13% to pass the account. I know other guys who have passed the accounts with this strategy. And you can see in the beginning of November, I got rid of one of the columns with the dates, but it was rough for a little bit. But then as it kept going, I mean, this is to date right now, and this represents 24%. So each one of these is up 1 or down 1%. It's unbelievable. And the win rate is only 58.9%. 58. What are you seeing on YouTube? 80% win rate, 90% win rate, never loses, 70% win rate. I believe 70s may be possible, not the 80 and 90. That's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. So this is what I think you should target. If you can master this and you want to find a way to get to 70, 80, 90%, then proceed to that. But I'm telling you, I can show up and not even think. Let me show you the strategy. I've actually already done a video on this strategy, but I think it's important you know. Let's get rid of all the other noise. Let's get rid of this. This is the strategy, folks. I'm even going to get rid of this. So this beautiful thing draws me the 5-minute opening range. No, you know what? I'll leave it. This is the strategy, folks, that I just back tested on. Oh, let's make sure my head's out of the way. Let's move that bad boy. Okay, this is it. This is what has produced 24% since November 2024. And November and December were crap. So if you just do it from the beginning of the year, it'd be like 26%. When price on the 5-minute chart on the US 30, I can't vouch for any other ticker. I can't backtest every ticker to see. When price opens and closes outside of the first 5-minute candle, you enter at the close. You put the stop at the low. And you target a 1-to-1. Okay? Today was a 1.192. I don't even look at that stuff. Just 1-to-1. Okay? It won today. I'm going to show you a few more examples. This one I thought lost. So look. It did not open and close outside. Messes around. I'm not even usually trading it this time. But this is the first time price opens and closes. This is the line. These green and red are the opening 5-minute range. Stop at the high of that candle. We're targeting a 1-to-1. We got it. Now, yes, there'll be execution error where maybe I accidentally got in here and I jumped the gun. But you can't backtest like that. You backtest the facts. Yes, it won. Let's go to the next one. These are close calls too. This is why I go for 1-to-1. This one might have lost. This one lost. Only 0.8. Could have gone to break even. Anyways, I'm going to keep it at that. I see another strategy I want to talk about, which is the tweezer tops. That's incredible too on the 5-minute, or I call this like a triple wick cluster. My point is, even this takes some subjectivity, but the point of this video was to show you do not have to think or second guess when price has opened and closed outside the 5-minute range what the results are. I forgot one caveat to the strategy. That column will not trade ugly candles. I'll give you an example. I want to look at the tweezers there. Another beautiful play. I want to give you an ugly example. I don't take these. There's another winner. Holy crap. I mean, I could show you an ugly candle, but I want to show you an actual setup that we go, no, we don't take that. Looks like this one might have lost too. I'd like to show you an ugly candle. It's essentially a candle that did, oh, that's kind of one. It opened and closed outside the range, but it's not that nice looking. Like, look at the big bottom wick. It's just the wick I'm talking about. That's what I mean, not nice looking. It's the bottom wick. So I'd rather it like pull back and give me another entry, which in this case it didn't. But that's just what I'm talking about. There's some ones that are considered ugly. There's another loser. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.